Hey guys! Today we are going to start the holiday weekend early by hosting a Labubaque. We are going to start by adding a patio deck to our room box. We will surround it with diorama grass we got from Michael's. Let's add our pergola. We are using removable glue dots to secure it. To give our guests some shade, let's add some vines and flowering plants. These were meant to be part of a larger arrangement, but we just trimmed the stems and it's the perfect size. These came from the dollar store. Let's add the picnic table we created in our previous video. Now it's grillin' time. We got this tiny grill from Five Below a few months back. It was only $5, and it's the perfect size for a Labubu grill master. Let's add an ice cream bar to help the guests cool off. This is also from Five Below. I added a thin layer of resin to create the illusion of depth on the ice cream. This is a wall sticker from the dollar store. We will add it to our room box to give it a more outdoorsy feel. Here comes our first guest, Mr. Silver. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.